What is fasting? We must talk about this. Because if you obligate to fast, you must know what is fasting. Well, fasting is number one, starting with suhoor at before Fajr. Before Fajr. Before the adhan of Fajr. And then ending with a meal at iftar at Maghrib. So your fasting begins with Fajr and it ends with Maghrib. So no food, no drink, no sexual activity. And also, fasting is not just from food and drink. Fasting is also the fasting of the tongue. Your tongue must fast, meaning you cannot curse. You cannot backbite. You cannot gossip. You cannot say bad things. You cannot insult others. Your eyes must fast. You cannot look at bad things. You cannot look at bad things. Your ears must fast. You cannot listen to music. You cannot listen to music. Music is haram. You guys, children, you guys know that, right? Yeah. But music is everywhere. It's so common now. The people don't think music is haram. All scholars of Islam, they say the music is haram. Listen to Quran. If you want to listen to something other than the Quran, you can listen to nasheed, but without music. Without music. Because we have some Muslims who sing nasheed. Right? They sing nasheed, but they sing it with music. It's also haram. But you say, but brother, at least it's better than the music that people listen to. Yes, it's a little bit better because the music they talk about, they curse in music. They talk about haram, love, girls. They talk about drugs. At least in nasheed, they're not talking about these things. But still, it's very close to music. It's very close to the nasheed with music is very close to the music and the songs that people sing. But still haram. But yes, it's better than the music that people listen to, right? But still haram. If you want to listen to nasheed without music. People say, what about nasheed with acapella? Acapella? You guys know? They make music with their mouths. They make music with their mouths. Well, it still sounds like music. You should avoid it. So do not listen to music because music will corrupt your heart. Music will take you away from Quran. Music will not allow you to enjoy your salah. Music will not allow you to enjoy your Quran. Wallahi, I do not know of anyone who loves music and loves the Quran at the same time. I do not know any person. Anyone who loves music, they do not love the Quran. They do not love the Quran. And that is a proof that music is haram. Music will cause you to move away from Quran. So your ears must fast from listening to haram. Your hands must fast from doing something haram, from hitting somebody. Your mind must fast from thinking bad thoughts. Yes, fasting is not just from food and drink. It's the whole body and it's the mind. Did you hear? Do not backbite. Do not say bad things. You fast. Your mouth is fasting. Your tongue is fasting. You must think positive thoughts only. Good deeds. Do not think about bad things. Do not listen to people backbiting others. Do not backbite others.